Hi there, students. Yours truly. Okay, we use yours truly as an informal way of referring to oneself. So, for example, you know who does all the work in our office? Yours truly, me. Okay, so we use this as an informal way of saying it's me, or a humorous way of doing it. Let's see. Yours truly is a way to end an informal letter to a friend. I don't think anybody really writes letters nowadays with the onset of the smartphone. But maybe 50 years ago, if you were writing to your friend or your brother or something like that, you might end the letter yours truly. It's like yours faithfully or yours sincerely, but it's a friendly way of ending a letter. But I think that's more or less obsolete nowadays. Maybe if you were told to write a letter to a friend in an exam, you could end it yours truly. But I like this phrase yours truly when you're referring to yourself. So, for example, I think the only person who understands how things work round here is yours truly, is me. Whenever anything goes wrong, you know who gets the blame. Yours truly, me. Okay? So you can use this phrase, yours truly, but it's informal and slightly humorous, to refer to yourself. Okay? I think you probably only should use this in an informal conversation, in a conversation in the pub. This would be a great phrase to use. I suppose it's yours truly's turn to pay for the beers again. It's my turn, yeah? So you're referring to yourself. I don't think I would recommend using this in a writing. Well, maybe in a very informal writing, but anything that has any formality to it, I think you should use myself or I or me. Okay? So yours truly, a way of referring to yourself. I think yours truly is the only person round here who likes really hot food, hot and spicy food. I think nobody else does. It's only yours truly. Yeah. So keep it informal, keep it humorous, and I would recommend to keep it spoken. Yeah. So here you have another video by yours truly, me. Yeah, me, myself, I. Okay, so I guess that's it. There's not much to say about it, but it's a nice and it's a humorous phrase. It would be good maybe in your exam speaking, yeah? What does yours truly believe? Well, I believe that ... yeah? Are you speaking to yours truly? Yes. Okay, me. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.